October 1816. 1756, he left the country to the UK and came back 1766. 1765, he married a white woman by name Catherine Blunt. 1765, he was ordained to be the first African man to be ordained as an Anglican priest. He came down to the castle to work for the English for 50 good years. Now, the church did collapse. The classroom, or let's say the school, did collapse, but he came down here to revive it. He forced the missionaries. They established some schools and some churches like Methodist and Anglican, and we have in fact Tiffany College being the first senior high school in Ghana, and our UN Secretary General, the former one, Kofi Annan, did attend it. There's a school named after him, Lepeku Boys School. This is the first middle school in Ghana. And education started from Cape Coast Castle. But when he came, he called the local African children and sent them here to educate them how to read and write. When the enrollment increased, they were sent to a door open. That is our current museum. So that museum was also a school or a classroom. But now, the name Kweku was Kweku, our local name, born on Wednesday. And it was anglicized to Kweku. A name like Kweku, born on Sunday, was anglicized to Kweku. A name like Yao, born on Thursday, was anglicized to Blossom. A name like Pintu Blanket was anglicized to Blanket. A name like Asa, a twin brother, like our president's name, John Dantapano. Asa A-T-T-A was anglicized to Alta, A-L-T-A-T-U-R. We also have a name like Darcy T was anglicized to Darcy. And a name like August Stone was anglicized to Roxanne. So Philip Kweku means Philip Kweku, born on Wednesday. But he died at the age of 75 when he was very young. We now have a privilege to have the male slave. Now behind me was the male slave dungeon.